Both images on the screen are the exact same image source. So it doesn't matter which one I go to. If I go over, you're going to see alt text what 222. That is not a great alt image description. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename one of them, but I'm not going to touch the original image that sits in the media library. Now, why could this be useful? Maybe you're using the same image twice, maybe on the same page or somewhere else in your website. And you're going to give them different alt image descriptions for SEO because maybe the SEO or the keywords for one page are different to the other, and you want to smuggle them into the image in terms of how you're describing it. So here's the trick. What you're going to do is activate a code snippet, which is this one here. You can get this from the link in the video description. Use the code snippets plugin, go and add it in, give it a title. I just called it alt image. Go and save and activate. And once you've done that, go and pick any one of your images. We'll go for the second one. Go to the advanced tab. Go to where you have attributes. Go and add in data-alt pipe. You got to have the data-alt and the pipe. That's always got to be there. Then afterwards, you put whatever you want. So I've just put cat on a hat. Remember, I've not changed it on the first one. There is no attribute added over there, and they are using the exact same image source. Let me now show you what you're going to see if you inspect those images and what your SEO will see as well. Let's go to the first one. Remember, we did not change this. So this is the first image, and the alt is what 222, because that is what we added in the media library. Now let me go to the second image. This is the exact same image from the media library. I have not touched what the what 222 was in the media library, but now look, alt equals cat on a hat. So I could have the same image, logo, whatever I want on different pages, and I could have a completely different alt image description without having to add duplicate images into my media library. You gotta like that, right? I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Go and check out our Elemental course by signing up for our YouTube channel. Exclusive videos. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.